Why to actually read a book? Like there is so much of trend going on that people are talking about reading books. Too many successful people are like talking about books and this stuffs. So why actually you should read books? See, when you start on reading a book, when you are like getting into like reading the books and learning from it, then you are getting exposed to a person who is of different society. And remember, we as humans are mostly like influenced, and most of the things that we have learned till now is from the things that we have learned from the society. So that thing, that like in that point, book reading is very important. Like it will give you benefits of traveling, and you can't travel so much, and you can't travel to so much countries and like get exposed to their societies. So book reading is a perfect example, perfect thing that will help you to like get into different societies, and your brain will open up, and that eventually will help you in like getting advantage over other people who are just sitting just like seeing some serials and all whatever it is. So in that way, book reading is going to give you so much more benefits there. And like I'm also reading books from past 3 years almost, and yes, my brain has opened up too much, and like my thinking levels, my level of thinking, how far I can think, that things have also changed. Second point is when you read a book, like it is just you and the author, between like the communication is between you and the author, okay, the flow of information, and there it can greatly change your like personality and your values, because see, you're like getting the information from the author, and whatever personalities he possesses and whatever values he have, it is going to like impact you. So yes, that is why choosing a right book is very important, because reading a book that has certain qualities, certain personality traits is going to surely impact you when you are going to get the same information from that book. Number three is it makes you valuable at socializing, as you have so much things to talk about. See, everybody likes a person who is so much like who has so much of things to talk about. So yes, when you read books, you have so much of genuine knowledge that is also coming from a genuine source. So yes, that will help you to like be better at socializing, and you will be better at like holding small talks and also holding deeper conversations, as you have like variety of knowledge to talk with people. Number four is getting free mentorship. Like whenever you are reading a book, the person who have wrote the book, like he have sat and he have wrote each and every word of the books with so much of focus, and he have given so much of informations that he have learned from his life. So yes, you are getting a free mentorship from the person who have wrote the book, from the author, and that too you are getting it for just the price of the book. Also, you can revisit the lessons that you have learned from that book. So yes, you are getting a lifetime membership, a lifetime mentorship from the person who have written the book, and from his life experience, that to one kind of thing you are getting. So it is a like great and the biggest benefits of reading books.